Raju is a very friendly and helpful person, but he is ignorant when it comes to protecting his financial credentials or bank details. One day, Raju received a call from his friend, Keshav.
Hello, Raju. Are you free to talk?
Yes, Keshav, tell me.
There is an exciting offer on XYZ e-commerce website. It requires a credit card issued by ABC Bank. You are using this card. Can you send me the details of your credit card over phone? I will pay you later.
Okay, I will send the details of my card.
Raju shared a photo of his credit card with his friend.
I received your card details. Thank you so much.
Raju's friends always use his cards to avail discounts offered by e-commerce websites, and he often sends his card details to his friends over the phone. After a month, Raju received an SMS on his mobile number and was unable to figure out where the card was used. Raju registered a complaint with the bank. The bank further informed him that the disputed transactions were done at an online merchant site. Raju realized that he himself had never done any payment at the online site, but he had shared his card details with his friends. Raju immediately contacted all his friends, but everyone informed him that they did not do the transaction.
Raju, just a few days back, I lost my mobile phone, and my phone has your card details. I am afraid that could have led to these transactions.
Oh, Keshav, you should have told me about this incident. I would have blocked the card. I should not have shared my card details over the phone.
Do not share your card details over social media or messaging apps, even if the recipient is your friend or relatives and family. For social cause by KARDEY INTANGES and co-supported by ONESHELL.